The COB Work Light Flash Lamp Mini Flashlight is an exceptionally versatile tool that caters to a variety of lighting needs, making it an invaluable addition for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities or simply requires a reliable light source in emergencies. One of the standout features of this product is its compact design, which allows it to easily attach to your keychain, ensuring that you always have a source of illumination within reach. In terms of usability, the flashlight features a straightforward operation that does not require any technical knowledge. With a simple push-button mechanism, switching it on and off is quick and intuitive. The lightweight construction adds to its practicality, making it portable and easy to carry without adding bulk to your everyday essentials. Overall, the COB Work Light Flash Lamp Mini Flashlight Keychain is a well-engineered product that stands out for its bright light output, durable construction, and user-friendly features. Whether you are an outdoor enthusiast, a frequent camper, or simply someone who values preparedness, this flashlight offers a reliable solution for all your lighting needs. It combines convenience with functionality, ensuring that you are well equipped to tackle any situation that requires reliable illumination.